Chilly outside, comforting inside. Comfort food, perfect for rainy days. Are you craving something hot, hearty, and comforting in this rainy weather? We've got the perfect place for you. Welcome to Café Miranda at City Garden Suites Hotel Manila, located at 1158 A. Mabini Street, Ermita, Manila. Today, we're taking you on a delicious food trip to experience their satisfying Filipino Lunch Buffet that's perfect for sharing with family and friends. As you step inside Café Miranda, you'll immediately notice its spacious dining room, cozy atmosphere, and welcoming ambience. It's the perfect place to relax, enjoy great food, and spend quality time with loved ones. Let's begin with their comforting soup station. Choose between rich chicken stock or flavorful beef stock, complete with a variety of soup condiments. You can even customize your bowl with your choice of sotanghon or mami noodles for the ultimate comfort experience. Next is the bread station, featuring white loaf bread. Pair them with assorted jams, plain butter or flavored butter for a simple yet satisfying start to your meal. For those looking for something fresh, the salad bar offers singkamas, green mangoes, and sliced cucumbers served with alamang. You can also create your own fresh vegetable salad and complement it with your favorite dressing. Now for the stars of the buffet. Indulge in the crowd favorite, succulent rolled lechon belly. Enjoy the delicate flavors of steamed Pompano with scallions and ginger sauce. Savor classic Filipino favorites like Ampalaya with ground pork and Sautéed Cabbage. Treat yourself to the sweet, savory, pineapple glazed chicken thighs. Don't miss the boneless Bangus a la Pobre, pork Dinakdakan, Japchae Pinoy style, and Pancit Miki Guisado. Each dish is carefully prepared to deliver comforting Filipino flavors that everyone will enjoy. Complete your meal with their selection of rice options. Choose from plain rice, garlic rice, delicious rice, or the flavorful bagoong rice. Each one perfectly complements the buffet's wide variety of dishes. Save room for dessert. Refresh your palate with their selection of fresh fruits, including yellow watermelon, red watermelon, honeydew, and sweet red lady papaya. For a sweet tooth, don't miss the halo-halo station and ice cream station. Perfect for cooling down after a hearty meal. Enjoy bite-sized baked goods like vanilla, chocolate, and banana nut cupcakes for a sweet ending to your buffet experience. Stay refreshed with their beverage station featuring Sago't Gulaman and cucumber lemon-infused water, the perfect drinks to accompany your meal. For guests bringing their vehicles, City Garden Suites Manila offers parking spaces on a first-come, first-served basis, subject to availability. So, if you're looking for a warm, comforting, and affordable Filipino lunch buffet in the heart of Manila, Café Miranda is definitely worth a visit. Enjoy their lunch buffet daily from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. for only 699 pesos net per person. Senior citizens and PWDs can enjoy the buffet for only 499 pesos and 29 centavos per person. For reservations, call 8835-4520 or 8835-4518. Book your table today and enjoy great food, warm hospitality, and unforgettable dining moment at Café Miranda. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food adventures. See you on our next food trip.